May you remember, you are never without guidance. Even when the mind is restless, even when doubt clouds your vision, the quiet presence within you never leaves. Like the sun behind the clouds, like the river beneath the ice, awareness flows, steady and untouched, waiting for you to notice. May you learn to move with it, not against it. To create, not by force, but by flow. To trust, not in struggle, but in stillness. For the path is not yours to carve alone. It is already unfolding beneath your feet. So walk, create, move with certainty. Awareness is with you. Awareness is you.